as stable as possible. So what normally happens is when I'm talking, I tend to do this. So I'm not going to do that. We are going to run errands again. This is what I'm wearing. I'll show you. So it's a Tuesday. I didn't work out today. I think your body needs a rest when it needs a rest, and that's the best. So suddenly gotten cold in Pune. Is it cold where you are? And I'm happy. I was hoping the weather gets better yesterday, and it did, but it's quite chilly. And it just gets difficult to wake up and do things when it's cold. Feel a little lazy. So guess where I'm going? It starts with P, and it's two letters, P and O. Guess. After that, I don't think I have anything to do. But if I go someplace, I'll show you all. You'll see how impressive my stability is. Oh my god. Does anyone suffer from motion sickness? It doesn't happen in rickshaws. Hanji. But it happens in cars, and sometimes I just had lunch. My god, isn't this comfy? We have arrived. I'm going to show you all where I'm going. I'm at the post office. It's lunchtime. I did not foresee this. I'm standing in line. Today we are going to talk about incompetence. I don't understand why people think that taking longer to do something, it just makes them feel important, and why do they like to be disrespectful? I feel respect is a two-way street, two-way thing. You can't be disrespectful to someone and expect respect in return. Yeah. Also, I think that people need to understand that being polite goes a long way. I think I also should learn that lesson. I'm polite the first 3 times. After that, nope, can't. I mean, you're just trying to try someone's patience. It's not nice. And I've had a normal job. I've had a proper desk job. Was it a desk job? I worked as a librarian, my first job. I was 17. Let me tell you, being professional is a choice. And a lot of people are choosing to be unprofessional. Work ethics really, I don't know. They should matter in any field. But they don't, unfortunately. Something that takes 5 minutes, if it takes 50 minutes, it's not even about being impatient. It's just, I don't know, I feel like it's unnecessary. I'm the other extreme. If I have to do something, I'll get it done faster, thinking that doing it fast, you get a prize for that. The first pageant I ever did, they asked us a question, and I thought that we had to answer fast. If you answered faster, you'd win. There's another lesson to learn there. Being too fast is also not good, because I remember I finished and I think I wrote a 5-word answer. I came third, I was second runner-up. The answer must have had a little bit to do with that. So there's a fine line. Don't hurry things, but also don't drag things along. Wasn't that fun? Do you like it when people are prompt? I'm sure you do. We all do. So, that was what I wanted to talk about. Incompetence. on a lighter note, I'm going to go look for postcards because I think postcards are cute. Postcards and stamps. In school, we used to collect them, remember? So I'm going to look for that. Lighter side, I'm going to get some stamps for fun. I also need to get my Aadhaar card picture changed, but I think today is not the day for that. And we're still waiting. I mean, I'm just walking around now. Oh, there's a cute doggy here. He's taking a nap. He's sleeping. This, I don't know. I think I'm going to... I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll let you all know. I mean, I think you just need to make sure if you think something is going to take 10 minutes, it'll probably take an hour sometimes. So be mentally prepared for that. That's all. And then you're just pleasantly surprised if things get done earlier. I give expert advice. You all know that by now. I already showed you all my outfit. Put some pants, linen pants on. A white crop top and this green jacket. I'm glad that I didn't wear something that I was going to carry one of my heavier jackets or coats because it was cold at home, but it's warm outside. Pleasant, I'd say it's pleasant. Not extremely warm, but it's alright. So I asked you all a question in my last vlog, if I should vlog daily. What do you want me to vlog about every day? Just talk or just do what? I also was thinking of fasting. I want to start fasting. I don't think I've fasted for even a day, honestly, in my life, which is really sad because I want to be able to. I just get hungry and give up. And I remember when I was in college, I had these Marwari friends, and I think they keep Karwa Chauth even if they're unmarried. And I was like, oh, it'll be cool to do that. And then I come home and my parents are like, oh, there's biryani today. So I'm like, okay, fine, I'm not fasting. So every time I try to fast, there's just some good food around. In my defense. And that's a valid enough reason to not fast. I'm getting some sun. Getting out of the sun now. Going back home finally. It's called speed post. Things reach fast, but it takes a long time to send it. Trying to find a rickshaw is fun. So here's a very important tip when you're trying to stop a rickshaw. If you want him to go in the opposite direction, he's not going to go. These are words of wisdom. Still no rickshaw, still no rickshaw. Success in the rickshaw. Not success in the rickshaw, success in getting a rickshaw. I feel like oh, that's an angel number. I feel like I've just been running errands. That's all I do lately. I already said I saw an angel number. 234 is also an angel number. Yay! There's nothing better than going home, honestly. The whole go hard or go home, always go home. That is what growing up is. Realizing that going home is actually fun. I hope you'll enjoy this. As I always say, if you didn't, it's too late. I was just on the stage. I was just making faces at my camera. And the guard sort of lost it. This is the face I was doing. I don't know, I feel like it's a face exercise. I've been accompanying my mommy everywhere. I'm daughter of the year this year. Next year, I mean, she's got only one daughter, so I'm daughter of the year every year. This is called Monopoly. You're the only one in the business.
Right.
Nobody can beat you. Right. Yeah, Anji. The sun is really sunning, bro. And the grass is grassing. The grass is green. This side. This side and this side. And this side is go home and I don't know, the Real Housewives episodes haven't released yet. I don't know, I'm gonna drink a lot of water for sure. I already said bye to you all. This is just a bonus for you. You're welcome. Let me see the lighting is good where I normally. Dun, 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 dun. And what is the wedding one? Dun, 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 dun. Bye. Practicing our music when it's suspense is dun, 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 dun. And when it's a wedding it's dun, 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 dun. I know what you're thinking. Why didn't I opt to be a singer and let that career go? That's for another vlog.